Hi there. Here we go. Okay. We have the finished wing. Working elevators. Now, in this spot here, we want to glue this piece. But at the same time, we want to glue one of these to the front of the wing here. But to do that, we have to fit it in the fuselage. First off, we're going to do a little job. There's a magnet in the kit. It's got to fit in this black piece here. And take some CA glue and glue that piece in. Now, we're going to fit the wing to the fuselage. Make sure it all fits right. It does, it fits just nice in there. Now, we want to make it attach the piece. So, take the wing out. After we finish gluing these in, we'd already cleared these holes out. Let's stick one of these in here. Okay, that was a piece that had the prongs on it and sharp on the other side. The two prongs go in here. Okay, now we're going to fit this wing in. Exactly perfect where it should be. Okay, now as you press it down the back and squeeze the wing in place, okay, now that's in perfect. What that's doing is making holes in the wing. So we take this off. Very carefully, we're going to set this down. We're going to come in here and take this out. Now remember which way is up. That way is up. We're going to set the body aside. Now if we see here where the three holes are, the styrofoam, that's going to go right there. Now when we get our epoxy ready, we'll glue that piece right in place, and we'll glue this piece in. Well, I got a little bit of epoxy mixed. We're going to apply a little bit of epoxy into this area where I'm going to put that piece. Put a little bit of epoxy on those three holes where that piece is going to go. And one more thing, we glued that magnet in that black piece, so we're going to fit it to here and trim it to fit, and then epoxy in it too. A pair of scissors just to trim the plastic a little bit. Fits and doesn't come out. I'm going to apply epoxy to that spot. The cowl. So we go, put this in first. And that goes to the magnet to that side. This one here I kept so that it was the same way. And that round one for the inside. Okay, so I got those pieces epoxied. Now we set the wing to the hatch side, bring the body back over. I'm going to have to refit the body, but for now we can attach the elevator. Now, I know which is the top and the bottom, because this here, your servo is going to go in the bottom. I say to put this in, just going to slide it in. Remember we cut that piece out? Now this is where it's going to get to be measured. We have to use a measuring. Okay? Now, we have to measure this to be exact. As you go from 2 points, I'll take it from this side, put it there. Okay, that's 20 centimeters. This one this way is, well, that's perfect. 20 centimeters, wow. Now, there's one more angle you have to check, and that's it to the wing. But we have to let the wing dry before we can put it on, so we'll wait for this a minute. Don't want to move it. I'll be back in 5. Okay, camera's a little higher now. Get a bigger picture here. Now I got the wing mounted in. The pieces are dried. So I was able to mount the wing in. And it's dead square. Made sure of that. So I can set it down. How can I get you to see most of this? Use that tip. Anyways, you can see my tips and my tails here. I'm going to take the tip of the wing and measure the tip of the wing and measure to the tip of there, 52.5. Then I'll go and I'll do the exact same measurement, 51.5. You see? So I know that it's got to be adjusted like that. Okay? You keep making these measurements. Two again. That's 52. So that's telling me that my tail is square to my plane. Everything is nice. That's right. Everything looks just perfect here. So now I can glue my elevator in. One sec. I'm going to mix epoxy and we'll get this tail glued in. Right back.